Strange Jest by Agatha Christie. Third section. She paused. She made it very emphatic. 1851, and that explains everything, doesn't it? Not to me, said Edward. Well, of course, said Miss Marple. I dare say it wouldn't to me if it weren't for my great-nephew Lionel. Such a dear little boy, and a passionate stamp collector, knows all about stamps. It was he who told me about the rare and expensive stamps, and that a wonderful new find had come up for auction. And I actually remember his mentioning one stamp in 1851, blue 2 cents. I realized something like $25,000, I believe. Fancy. I should imagine that the other stamps are something also rare and expensive. No doubt your uncle bought through dealers and was careful to cover his tracks, as they say in detective stories. Edward groaned. He sat down and buried his face in his hands. What's the matter? Demanded Charmaine. Nothing. It's only the awful thought that, but for Miss Marple, we would have burned these letters in a decent, gentlemanly way. Ah, said Miss Marple, that's just what these old gentlemen who are fond of their jokes never realize. Uncle Henry, I remember, sent a favorite niece a 5-pound note for a Christmas present. He put it in a Christmas card, gummed the card together, and wrote on it, Love and best wishes. Afraid this is all I can manage this year. She, poor girl, was annoyed at what she thought was his meanness and threw it all straight into the fire. Then, of course, he had to give her another. Edward's feelings toward Uncle Henry had suffered an abrupt and complete change. Miss Marple, he said, I'm going to get a bottle of champagne. We'll all drink